affiliate marketing secrets that others don't want you to know. Hey, what's happening? Todd G here. Today we are going to talk about 4 affiliate marketing secrets that others don't want you to know. So let's get after it. All right, so 4 affiliate marketing secrets that others don't want you to know, my friend. And we are going to, wait a minute, what, Todd? Don't tell them the secrets? All right, I'm going to tell you the secrets anyway. I'm not going to listen to this guy. What do you think? So the 4 secrets, these 4 secrets make the difference in affiliates that are doing really well. They're crushing it, they're killing it, and the ones that are struggling or failing, okay? So let's get right into it. And by the way, at the end of this video, I've got a nice one-page graphic that puts it all together, and I'm going to go through the whole process with you. All right. So number 1, sending an affiliate link before building a relationship. No, don't do this. I used to do this. Don't be that guy. Don't be that girl. Don't be that person, okay? What you want to do instead is you must build trust via content first. This is huge. I made this mistake a long time ago. I didn't know any better. It took me a lot of time, effort, money, mentorship, and frustration to figure out the right process. So I'm trying to keep you from having to go through all that time and frustration and potential money, and have you do it the right way right now. So don't just send the affiliate link out without building trust via content first. Don't be spamming affiliate links in social media platforms or other platforms like I see every day. It does not work. You're supposed to attract people to you to build a relationship with you, not push them away. And by just spamming your link out there, you're pushing people away. You wouldn't go out in your neighborhood and start yelling, buy, 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 right? Well, at least I hope you wouldn't. And you wouldn't go into a bar and ask a stranger to marry you. You got to build that relationship first, okay? Instead, build trust via value-based content, content in posts, messages, chats, etc., videos, what have you. Value-based content in blog posts, YouTube videos, podcasts, etc., with a casual reference to your affiliate product link is just fine. If you provide enough value, you can say, oh, by the way, if you want to learn more about this, click on this. That's a soft pitch, but you've provided value, you've introduced yourself first. That is perfectly fine. Content about the problems and the solutions and the benefits that your problem has that, by the way, just happens to solve the problem that they have. So I'm going to go through how this process works in just a sec. But number 2, not collecting lead emails. You must collect the email. Your number 1 goal as an affiliate marketer or as any marketer is to collect that email address, because studies have shown that most people will not purchase on the first touch or introduction to a product or service. Studies used to say about 7 touches is average for people to make a buying decision. If you don't collect that email address, it's a one-shot, either one and done, and it's not efficient, and you're never going to build a long-term business, or you're never really going to do very well if you don't collect that email address. You must collect that email address first. That's your number 1 goal. The money is in the list. You've probably heard this. I know I've heard it a lot, many times. It's true. The money is in the list. If you build a huge email list and have that as a digital asset, you can take that list and start all over again, and you will be fine. It is your number 1 goal to get that email address. Don't just send people to the vendor's website. Even if they're collecting emails, that means that they have them in their email database, and they're following up, and they're making the money off of the purchases, and not you. You want to collect that email yourself. You want to have a lead capture system connected to your autoresponder. And if you don't know what a lead capture system is or an autoresponder, I'll put a link below in the description. I've got another video, how to build an online business. It talks about the essential tools that you need. It talks about your email autoresponder. It talks about your sales funnel, aka your lead capture system, and some other things. But basically, in a nutshell, the lead capture system is usually part of your sales funnel or sales process. It's the one page, the opt-in page or the squeeze page, lead capture page. They call them different things, but they basically do the same thing. Basically, one page there says, hey, get this free download or get this awesome free training here. Just enter your email below, and they enter their email and they click submit, and then that email goes into your email database on your autoresponder. So that you must send them to a lead capture system first. And again, I've got a graphic in just a few slides that shows this whole process. Always collect the email first, then you can follow up with them, build trust and relationship. Very key. People buy from people they know, people and places they know, like, and trust. It's true with everybody. Think of where you buy. It's from people and places that you know, like, and trust. So you are developing a relationship. You are not trying to sell. Your job is to collect that email, to pre-frame the offer in the right way, to provide value, content, talk about the problem, talk about the solutions, and become a trusted advisor so that people will know, like, and trust you. Your email list, again, is your number one digital asset that you can ever have. Period, exclamation point, end of story. That is your number one online asset. If you're not collecting email addresses, you need to start doing it pronto. All right, number 3. Sending leads directly to the sales page. Again, if you're sending leads directly to the sales page, even if that product vendor has a lead capture system, you are not collecting the email for yourself. This is a big no-no. And by the way, if everybody else is sending to the sales page too, you want to stand out and be different. And I can tell you from my experience in all these years and knowing a lot of super affiliates in affiliate marketing, they all have a custom sales process that they use. They never ever send leads or potential customers to the vendor's page right away. They have their own custom sales funnel, their own custom sales process where they're building a relationship, building that know, like, and trust. So you must build a relationship via a bridge page. Now, I learned this a few years ago from one of my mentors. He's my main mentor now. And I noticed he was in the same affiliate program that I was, and he was just killing it. He was on the leaderboards. He was up there with all the big players. And I started reverse engineering him a little bit. This was before I had him as a direct mentor. But I was following him, right? And I was like, well, what is he doing in reverse engineering? And one of the main differences he had his own custom sales process, but he had a bridge page. And after I hired him as a mentor, he explained that the bridge page is really super important because what it does is it bridges, it puts you in the picture. The bridge page is where you want to introduce yourself. It's taking that cold lead that doesn't know who the hell you are, and it's building that initial relationship. It's that walking up to somebody, shaking their hand and saying, hi, nice to meet you, I'm Todd, you know, what have you. It's that first introduction. And you know what they say about first impressions, right? So you don't just send leads directly to a product sales page, even after they enter their email address on your lead capture system. You send them to a bridge page or a thank you page with preferably a video of you, and you're introducing yourself. You give them some quick info on what they're going to get and what they should expect, and this bridges you to the affiliate product. That's the whole purpose. It puts you in the picture, and you want to be in the picture. You don't want them to just go to the product. Your number one goal is to build a relationship with this potential customer. So this is super important. If you're skipping the bridge page with the introduction of yourself, you're making a huge mistake and you're leaving a lot of money on the table. When you get follow-up emails, when they get follow-up emails from you, they won't be confused if you don't introduce yourself and all of a sudden they get an email. So if I send somebody to my lead capture page and then send them right to the product vendor page, and then I send them emails coming from Todd G, they're like, who the hell is this Todd G guy and why does he keep sending me emails? You know, they're going to be confused, they may be upset, they may unsubscribe, they may ignore you, what have you. This is super important. And then you want to follow up with value-based content emails with soft recommendations to your product or whatever, right? So this is how you build a long-term business, and this is how you crush it as an affiliate marketer. All right, number 4, not having a proper sales funnel. Having a proper sales funnel is huge. It's key. This is truly, it's like having a little army of many yous working 24/7 by 365, and this is truly how you have that internet lifestyle business, a laptop lifestyle, although I don't like that term, but it truly is where you can make sales while you're traveling, while you're on vacation, while you're sleeping, because if you have the right sales funnel that's all automated, this whole process happens regardless if you are working your business or not. Now, having a proper sales funnel, in my opinion, is the game changer. Again, game changer is one of those terms that's overused and it's hypey, but it truly is a game changer. If you don't have the proper automated sales funnel, it's just not sustainable. That means you're only making sales when you're working the biz, and there's only so much time in the day. And regardless of what anybody has told you or what anybody thinks, time is your number one most valuable asset. You can always make up more money and whatnot, but time, you have a set amount of time, right? So this is the game changer. Every super affiliate I know has a custom sales funnel, a real good sales process, a sales funnel, an automated sales funnel. The best sales funnels have a 3 to 5+ day training, in my opinion. That it's a free training series, and this is the pre-framing. This is the education of the potential customer on why they need to have this product or service because it solves a particular problem. Again, this pre-frames the potential customer. Your job is not to sell. Contrary to popular belief, your job is not to sell. It's to pre-frame via educating on a problem and the solution that the affiliate product solves. The product vendor page does the selling once they get on there, but your job is to pre-frame and build that know, like, and trust. Each day is a value-based training. I'm going to show you this on the next slide. And then a soft sell to the affiliate product on the one-page website. So each day sends them to a one-page website that's in my sales funnel. It's got video training with some very good content in there, and then it's got a link to buy the product below. That's the soft sell. And then, like I said, it's on a one-page website that's part of my sales funnel. And then the training link is sent out via email automatically every day for the next video lesson. So I'm going to show you how this works. All right. So my secret but simple sales funnel slash affiliate marketing process. I didn't invent this. I learned this from my mentor. He learned it, I'm sure, from his mentor. But a lot of people have a super overcomplicated sales funnel process. I believe, and my mentor believes, it's better to keep it simple. This is simple, effective, but very efficient, and this is a high converting automated sales funnel that makes sales while you are not working in the business. Okay. So over on the left is your traffic, and your traffic is really people, right? It's people coming in from organic sources such as Facebook, any type of social media platforms, YouTube videos and such, Google search, and then paid traffic. All of that traffic, I send them to one of two places. I send them to my lead capture or squeeze page, which is the beginning of my sales funnel, or I send them to content on my blog post, which has some content in there, a lot of value, and then a link inside that blog post, or many little links or buttons that say, hey, if you want to get this free training that talks about it more, blah, 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 click on this button, and that sends them to the squeeze page or the lead capture page. That puts them in my sales funnel. Now, once they get on this lead capture page, that's where they enter their email address to get this super cool free training series. And then they go into my email database once they click the submit button. Now from there, they're sent over to my bridge page or thank you page. They're both known, they're called different things, but they're the same thing, right? A bridge page or a thank you page. And it has a video of yours truly, my mug on there, introducing myself, telling them what to expect, what they're going to get, talking about, hey, by the way, you know that the first lesson is on its way to your email inbox right now, so don't forget to go over there and check it, and check your other folders, and make sure you put it in your mark it that it goes in your email inbox, so you'll get the training on the next few days through the training process. Again, this all happens automatically. Once you set this up, everything in here is happening automatically without you being in the picture. Now then, the first email that goes out, it has a link in there, has some content, and a link to the video lesson 1. There's a video lesson there with all kinds of great content, and then down below it there's a button to go get the affiliate product that we talk about in the video lesson series. Then day 2, an email goes to them, and it's a video lesson series again, and there's a link in the email, talks about it, goes through the content in that lesson, and then a button to go get the product. Day 3 is the same, day 4, day 5, what have you. And then there's usually a day in there that this is a little bit more advanced, that I have question and answers in there towards the end of the training. Basically, it's common objections that people might have, people that are on the fence, that are thinking about buying, but they may have an objection. I have a common frequently asked questions and answers, and basically it's to overcome any of those common objectives. And then I have the offer, which is the last day, this last little orange box down here on the right. You probably can only see part of it. But that's the last day, is kind of like a recap of what they've learned, talk about the problems a little bit more, talk about the solution that this affiliate product I'm promoting provides, and it has a little bit more of a harder sell on that day. Not like a used car salesman cheesy sell, but it's a little bit more of a hard pitch, why they need to get that product and they need it now. Then from there, they go on my email broadcast list. Basically, this is just a list that I have that's not automated follow-up series, but it's where I can send them daily emails to build more of a relationship, to provide more content, and to promote products, and maybe have a recommendation down in the bottom of those emails saying, hey, by the way, this product that that we talked about earlier, here's a way to grab it. And then this whole process is automated. It builds up my email list. It takes them through the whole sales process. And for everybody, everybody's different. Not everybody's going to buy on day 1, day 5, day 2. However, there is a good day for somebody to buy every day. And if you have enough people on your list, every day you're going to be making sales automatically with the sales process. If you want to see this in action and actually go through it and look at all the details, you can go to this site right here. And you can check it out. You can go through the whole process. It's free. There's lots of great training in there. There's free training. Look at it, and you are more than welcome to model this. That means you can take the concepts that I've done and you can make your own version of it. You can even look at the way of the formatted stuff, make your own version. However, do not copy it, please. Do not copy the content, the videos, the written copy, the pictures, any of that. Copying is wrong, and it can get you into legal trouble. However, you can model this whole thing, and it's perfectly fine. I encourage you to go through it so you can see how the whole process works and make your own version of it. All right. Well, that is it for today. My voice is about to give out, so I probably should wrap this up. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. It was short to the point, but these are truly 4 mistakes that 4 biggest mistakes of affiliate marketers, affiliate marketing, or that affiliate marketers make. And if you follow what I'm teaching here, I'm telling you, you can build a really successful long-term business. If you have any questions or comments, shoot them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. And this is Todd G. This is 4 affiliate marketing secrets that others don't want you to know, but that I do. And I will see you in the next video.